Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a link page on your Shopify store. It is super simple to do and you can do it in any theme. You can do it in paid themes, you can do it in free themes, it does not matter. And it is very simple. There's a few reasons why I feel like this is beneficial for you. So if you are creating a link page on a third-party site, you are taking them to essentially a landing page, and then all of your links are listed out. If you create it on your Shopify store, you're actually directing traffic right to your website. So that's good because you're already sending them to your website. It's going to have, an overall branded experience. Everything's going to feel like it's part of your website. People can find things easily. They can use your navigation. Your footer will be in there. You'll have all of your existing website stuff. Just it will be on a page that will have all of the links that you are trying to direct somebody from social media to. It can also help increase conversions because, like I said, they're already in your website, in your store environment. So it's easier to guide them into shopping, also into like signing up for your email list or exploring your blog, things like that. It will also be able to track your analytics a little bit better. I know that some of those third-party tools do have analytics in them, but this is directly coming into your Shopify store, so you'll be able to see who's coming in from where and how they interact with your website specifically. Instead of just like going to a link page and seeing what link they click on, you'll be able to see where people actually go. There's also no subscription fees, so I know some like link app things are free, some are paid. I think it depends on like what features you get, but this is built into your Shopify store, so you're getting it for free. Well, essentially it's built into the Shopify fee because it's built into your theme. You do not need to get any apps or any add-ons or anything special for it. So let's just dive in and show you how to actually make this work. So the first thing we're going to do, and I already did this, we're going to create a page. So come over to pages, and this is on under your online store, and you're going to hit add page, and then you're going to create a page for links. So I already did this. I was recording this and then had a little technical difficulty, so I had to stop it and re-record it. So I do have a link page already created. You can see that right here. So I'm not going to make another one, but that's how you do it. So just add page, title it links or whatever you want to name it. And then we're going to go to our theme. So just come over to theme, and then you're going to click customize. I am working on Impulse right now, but you can do this on any theme. Like I said, you can do it on free themes. Dawn, it works great on. I've done this several times for people on Dawn. And any other theme, I'm sure you can do this as well. So one thing you'll notice is I am looking at the mobile preview. You can toggle between the desktop and the mobile here. And the reason why I'm doing that is because this is going to be designed really for people to view on mobile. There will be people who can find it, organically and may land on the desktop site. So like you do want to make sure that it's designed for both, but primarily designed for mobile because most likely this will be put into like your Instagram bio or like a TikTok bio or wherever you're on social media. This is where you'll be putting that link page. So most people will be finding it through their phone. So what we're going to do next is we're going to click up here where it says homepage, and we're going to go down to pages. Again, I already created one. You'll see it right here. It says links, but all you need to do is you need to hit create template. And as you can see, I have many, many templates in here because I create page templates for almost every single page that I make on my website because I can customize them. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit create template, name it links, and then just leave it as based on default page. If once you start creating templates for your business, you can base it off of another page. Like I can pick any of these if I wanted to, but because this is brand new, I'm just going to use default page, and that's fine. I would technically hit create template at this point, but I already made it, so I'm just going to hit cancel. And then I'm going to go over here to my links page. If you could hit create, it would just pop up automatically for you. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is it's previewing the about page, which is fine, but I'm going to change this over to links, even though there's nothing on that page. I literally just titled the page, created it, and then I jumped over here. So I don't want to see anything from that page. So what I'm going to do under template, you can see where it says page. I'm just going to click this little eyeball, and that's going to shut off that page. If I had put content in the page instead of just making a page and titling it and then jumping over, if I put content in there, it would pull all of that in here, but I don't want to see that. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to shut that off, and then I'm going to add some sections. The quickest way to just do buttons would be through rich text. So once you click add section, I'm going to find the rich text button, and I believe that should be available in all themes, if not most of them. I know it's available in Dawn for sure, even though I'm on Impulse right now. It may look a little bit different, and you'll probably see different things here depending on what theme you're on, but find something that says rich text or maybe customizable text or whatever will give you buttons. So I'm going to click rich text, and then what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to just take away this text, and then I might just say links. You can name it whatever. Then I'm going to hover over here and click this little plus button that says add block, and I'm going to hit button. And then I'm going to do that again and add a few more buttons. Now, if we go back to the desktop, it's probably not going to look that cute, but like I said, most people are going to be looking at this on the mobile version, so this is why we're designing it here. So for my buttons, let's just say this top one, I'm going to say work with me. So we'll say work with me. Wait, I'm sorry, that was the button link. So what I want to do is I want to link it to my work with me page. So I'm going to find that here, and we'll say services, and then we'll say work with me for the text. That's what I meant. Okay, now I'm going to go back out, and I'm going to do the next button, find what I want to link it to. Like I said earlier, it's on your Shopify store, so you can literally link to products, pages, blog posts, collections. You can also add videos, you can add images, you can add your newsletter sign up. You can literally add anything you want to. So I'm going to do another page where it says, let's do Shopify. We'll say Shopify websites. And then I'm going to do this last one. We'll say strategy sessions. I could literally go on and on because I offer so many different services, and then I also have jewelry and art and some other things that I do on the side. So I could link all of this stuff here, whatever I want. I could change it out, so if I have something specific that I'm promoting, I could just pop in here, add the link, add the button, and then it would be live because this link will always stay the same on my social pages. All right, so that's enough for now. I will probably come back in and add some more, but just to kind of keep things short, I'm just going to add those 3 for now. So the next thing I'm going to show you is just adding some other things. So like we could just hit add section, and then maybe I want to add my email sign up. So I could just click email sign up. Obviously I would need to edit that a little bit. I can also add some other things if I wanted to. Maybe if I wanted to add a video, like a welcome video or a maker video, if you do handmade products, that's always nice to see. There are just so many different things that I could add. I could add testimonials. Maybe I'll do that for mine. Okay. Let's see, we can also do an image with text. Maybe I'll do that up at the very top. And you can drag things around too to reorder them if you want to. And then I could style this a little bit. I could center it so it doesn't look awkward off to the side. And then I'm just gonna hit save. So I will come back in and I will update this for myself because this is actually on my website. But I just want to show you the last step to connecting everything. So now we have our link page template in here. So after you click save, you're going to need to come back out and you have to go back to your pages. And then we have to find that link page one more time. The visibility, I'm going to toggle that back onto visible. It was hidden before. I will spend some time doing some SEO for this page. I think that that's very important. But the most important part to get this working is you need to come to this template section and then you have to find links so that way it actually connects. So it's telling Shopify that when this link page is shown, it needs to display the template that we just created. So I'm going to hit save and then we can just view that. It's not going to look as good. Hold on, let's give it a second. There we go. So it's not going to look as good on desktop, but you can see all the sections are there. And then if I was to pull this up on my phone, I would be able to see it exactly as somebody will see it. And then I can just take this URL and then I can pop that in any of the places that I want a link page to appear. So I hope that that was helpful for you. And yeah, go and make some link pages.